iPhone 12 set to rival Samsung Galaxy Note 20 with next-gen 3D camera. iPhone 12 should bring Apple up to date with its competitors in the camera stakes, and Samsung should be worried. With multiple iPhone 12s in the pipeline for a September release, there's still so much we don't know. We're sure at least one of the models, if not all, will be 5G ready, with the latest chipsets and, according to rumors, the biggest redesign Apple has made to the iPhone in years. The camera, the iPhone 11 Pro's flagship feature, is also due to get an upgrade this year, with some rumors stating the iPhone 12 will pack a huge 4-camera array on the back of the phone. According to one outlet, one of these lenses will house a depth-sensing 3D camera to turn the tables on its rivals like the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. A source speaking to Fast Company claims iPhone engineers have been working on a 3D camera for its world-facing rear array for at least 2 years, and it'll be ready by the time the iPhone 12 hits shelves in the autumn. A rear-facing time-of-flight (2f) sensor will enhance image quality and eliminate artificial blur. Although iPhones already have true depth sensors on their front-facing selfie camera arrays, which is what allows Apple's Face ID to work so well, this will mark the first time the technology will reach its rear. However, that's not the case for its rivals. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra all have depth sensors incorporated into rear camera arrays, and at least one of the Note 20 models are likely to have it too. Apple is playing catch-up here. Where Apple could outshine its rivals is using the depth sensing technology to improve its augmented reality capabilities. Apple is reportedly developing a new app for iOS 14, codenamed Gobi, which uses AR to provide the user with information about the world around them. AR has also famously been used for games like Pokémon Go. So, perfecting its depth sensor for next-generation AR capabilities could see Apple get the edge on Samsung once again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.